Okay guys, my first picker of the day. It is a little Instacart shop for $19 plus the 20, going less than 2 miles for around 19 items. So I get this news that hopefully it's not hard to accomplish, because now we're heading into dinner time. And hopefully we have a good dinner shift. I didn't do lunch today. I had to like come and game. Okay guys, so let's get this moving. Okay guys, so I got lucky and somebody helped me because I had no idea where to find this one. So I think it's this. Let me check. 2. Got the wine, which is the most difficult one. Let me keep moving that. Okay guys, so I had to refund the 2 items because on the app said that she wanted to be refunded and they didn't have them here. So anyway, so let me keep shopping. Okay guys, so the shop is done. Now I need to go and check out. But before I do that, I am going to use the bathroom.
Are you on your break? Yeah, I'm on my lunch.
Okay guys, so we are done with this shopping. Nothing's about the food delivery, guys. I need to start working early, and I'm going to take a new approach. I'm going to go towards the freeway and just see the day by Panera next week and try to catch just Instacart orders from Walmart, Sam's, and Costco. See if it's more profitable. But right now down here it's good for food delivery, but you know, the business is not there anymore. So we will change something if we can, you know, make better money with this app. Anyway guys, and remember guys, if you guys want to learn, you know, how to build a business online, you know, business that can truly bring you freedom, make sure you guys join my Facebook group, because I'm going to be sharing with you what I'm doing to do that in the way you guys can copy the same and apply it to yourself. Okay, let me put this in the car and head on the way. Okay guys, next pickup it is from Luna Grill. It was a double order, like 4 miles for close to $16. So hopefully they have it ready. We will see.
Yes, sir.
Hey, how you doing? I got a pickup for Greg K.
What's the name?
Greg?
Yeah.
Let me see the name. Right here, sir.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Okay, you too.
Okay guys, we got it. We're putting the car and go pick up the other one. The other one is a McDonald's. Okay guys, next pickup, the double order. It is from McDonald's. So hopefully they have it ready, 7 items. She seems busy. But hopefully this McDonald's is pretty good. Oh, it's over there, I just saw it. Okay, let me get this going guys. Okay guys, so we got it. Now, this one has a lot of drinks, so I have to be careful. Now let me put this in the car and get on top of it. Okay guys, so we're here. Okay guys, that's done. Now let's handle the other order. Okay guys, so next pickup, it is from Athena Giro, Uber Eats. Hopefully I have it ready. Okay guys, I've been super slow tonight for a Saturday, October. Jeez. Anyway, so I got this one. Hopefully it's right here. Leave it inside the screen door. Okay guys. That's done. Now let's get on the way. Check this out guys. Uber Eats having issues. It's 0. So weird. Anyway, so today trip is completed. Okay guys, so I've been super slow.
I tried it, it was good.
It's cool. Yeah, it's good. Not bad. It's not bad, like a price.
I'm gonna bring some back to North Carolina because it's easy to transport.
Thank you very much. Have a good night.
But I smoke from a pot.
Okay guys, so we got it. Now let's get on the way. Okay guys, so we're dropping off the first order. Okay guys, that's done. Okay guys, so I made a mistake and I took this offer from Uber Eats. And oh my god, you have to walk. I don't even think I got a tip on this one. No address, no way to enter the complex. I was lucky that guy was going through. Yeah, probably second floor too. And second floor. Okay, let me see. Fifteen of 3, 15 of 4, 15 of 2. Yeah, it's gonna be on the second floor. Okay, let me keep looking, guys. Oh, Jesus Christ. What the fuck? Okay guys, so let me keep looking. I think it's that one. 15:08. See, 15:06 over there. 15:06, perfect. Okay guys, that's done.